Hey there, amazing shape explorers. Are you ready for a super fun adventure? Put on your detective goggles because we're about to become shape hunters and find patterns that are hiding everywhere around us. Let's start with circles. They're everywhere, like the sun in the sky and wheels on a bike. And you know what else is circle shaped? The yummy cookies you love to eat and the bubbles you blow on a sunny day. Can you spot something square in your room? Take a look around. Squares are hiding everywhere, from the windows that let in sunlight to the blocks you play with. And don't forget about your favorite picture frames that hold all those special memories. Now let's look at triangles. They're like pizza slices and mountain peaks, and just like the colorful party hats we wear on birthdays to make everything more fun. Wow, you've done such an amazing job finding all these shapes today. Now you can be a shape detective wherever you go. Remember, shapes make our world more exciting and beautiful. Keep exploring and discovering new shapes every day. You're going to find so many wonderful patterns on your adventures.